we really have worked very hard on this campus and trying to make it as beautiful as we want it to be for a lot of different reasons. We're here in the Mother's Garden. Stuart and Linda Price gave the money to build this garden, which is gorgeous. And Steve Dobbs, who is just, I can't believe I stumbled on his name, he's our landscape guy. And tell them to turn that music down, would you? I'm kidding. It's Disneyland, When You Wish Upon a Star, yeah. But anyhow, the campus really has, under Steve's leadership and our budget, has absolutely turned this into a showplace, which is wonderful for those of us who live here and work here, but it's also an incredible recruiting tool. I mean, people that come here, certainly if they don't know what to expect, they're stunned. Thanks for the crescendo. And so the thing we've been missing, honestly, on this campus is public art. If you go around campus, Henry Bennett's standing over there, we got him. And I always say, if they're going to do a statue of me, I'll have my hand out. But we really have wanted for public art, which is, I think, the last piece of the puzzle for this campus. And we've got some nice things. The Pet Posse sculpture between Whitehurst and the library is a beautiful piece. But there's nothing like what we're about to see here. And I just want to thank Jeanene, who was a classmate of mine here at Oklahoma State, and Ron Hulsey for their generosity in getting this started. I do believe that as a result of this, we're going to start to see fine art all over this campus. But it wouldn't have happened without Jeanene and Ron. And so I want to bring them forward so we can thank them. And then I don't know how we're staging this pulling the veil off, but we'll think of something. In the meantime, Vicki, were you on the program? Okay, do you want to be on the program? No. Oh, you do want to be on the director of our Museum of Art, Vicki Berry.
I just want to take this chance to thank, this is a bigger picture. The OSU Museum of Art, you all know we're in the old post office downtown, but we also have a presence on campus, and it's gifts like this that come to Oklahoma State University and the museum as a steward that will extend our opportunities for students. I think that's a big motivator for Jeanene and Ron, is that they know that seeing a sculpture that you're about to see here will be part of our everyday life and experience. And I know our education people that are in the audience from the museum have tours planned, and we're so excited about the opportunity. For us, it's an opportunity to reach out to our community. And there's no barriers, right? So you come on campus for homecoming, you come on campus for a meeting 2 years from now, it's going to be here, so you'll be able to come visit. And I do think you're right, President Hargis, this is just the beginning. And we know we have more coming, so stay tuned. Anyway, thank you so much for coming out today. We planned this weather, so, thank you. And we'll get busy pulling this cover off.
So Jeanene and Ron and I and Ann have talked about this a lot. They really wanted to enrich our campus with some beautiful public art. And I can tell you, mission accomplished. Let's welcome Jeanene and Ron Hulsey to the podium.
Ron made me the designator speaker. I want to thank all of you for coming, and I also want to thank Ann and Burns Hargis, the Art Advisory Committee, the OSU Museum of Art, for the support for the arts at Oklahoma State, and for their leadership and their encouragement to expanding the educational experience for our students. Ron and I have been longtime admirers of Allan Houser, so we are thrilled to be part of this project. The fact that Allan Houser was born in Oklahoma, he was Native American, and he was an educator for much of his life, makes this the perfect choice for the addition to the beauty of the OSU campus. And we are thrilled to be associated with Singing Heart, the sculpture you're going to see today. It's in the perfect location here in Mother's Garden, and we hope that you will love her as much as we do. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go Pokes! Come get a picture. And the mother is looking at the library, just like most mothers.
Thank you all for coming today. Thank you, thank you.
And you know, Ron is not an OSU grad, but he has we have adopted him. And he is really, when Ron and I first met, I said, "Where'd you go to school?" He said, "I went back east." I said, "Oh, really, where?" He said, "East Texas State." But he's OSU now, through and through. Thanks, everybody, for coming, and thank you, Jeanene and Ron. This is just fabulous.
She was seated sideways and looking straight out.
You to go look at the picture and see how like she's looking in the